into a perfect day at CocoCay.
Alright, here we are at CocoCay for the first time.
Perfect day at CocoCay.
Okay, hopefully it lives up to the reputation for Doctors Independence Disease. That's Oasis on the left, Independence on the right. M's gone up ahead, but I'll catch up no problem. My legs are like 3 feet long.
Let's take a picture. No one will find out. Missing out. You don't want to miss out. Right here, the stage is yours. Please be take it out. Right here. My neck.
Considering Port Canaveral was a bit rough to swim, and then yesterday at NASA we did our own walking tour. We're coming into Chill Island. See what we can find for seats.
Captain Jack's is to the right. I think that's a good place.
Captain Jack's over there. There's the two of them with their big axe. Oh yeah, you can see a carnival ship out there.
Oh, there is a...
There's one in here. We can walk along the beach.
Sure.
They got hammocks. We got a couple little shops set up.
On the other side there. There's a little library. Little pop-up library.
Oh, that's cute.
Out there right now, it's not sunny at all. It's nice.
Some more shops over there. Looks like a rental. Do we want to go down more? Or do we want to park here?
No, we'll go down more.
Okay. Oh, they got the first aid station, babe.
I need some salve for my legs.
Well, there's tons of shops along the water here.
Look at that plant. That's like a weird.
That right there?
Yeah, reminds
The
me of
tree?
like a Christmas plant. The colors in it. It's an arrowhead, it looks like. I gotta take a picture of it. Because I'm
I never said that.
It is like a variegated arrowhead.
Our place is like a jungle at home, so Em loves her plants. I won't lie, I like my trees.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, I would just come back before we're done.
It's looking like we made it down in a decent time. Lots of chairs still. We're just going down further away from the main. So how's the water?
Oh, it's lovely. Refreshing and lovely.
Nice.
And then it's quite a depth for me.
Yeah, that's perfect for you.
Yeah.
And me, it's pretty easy. I just gotta crouch down a little bit. Dive under. Oh, it's starting to rain. Yep. Chill Grill is right. Ah, I did it again. Oh no. The Chill Grill is right up there.
Yeah, we found some chairs on Chill Beach, so we're just gonna park
There we go.
here for now. The other side is, I think South Beach is a bit windy. That's where the what are they called? Not the tides.
The wakes? No, wake
Like
is
you
from
know
the
when
ship.
the wind always comes one direction.
I don't know.
Okay.
I can't think of it. I know what you're trying to say, but I can't think of it. There's the cabanas. They have overwater ones somewhere too, don't they?
Yeah, I think they're at maybe another section, not at this beach. Yeah, the overwater cabanas have like a slide and stuff going. So we're just chilling here on Chill Island, waiting for the lifeguard to let us back into the water as it's still lightning out. We enjoyed a strawberry daiquiri and a Coco Loco, which is their drink here on CocoCay. Yeah, so hopefully soon we'll be able to get snorkeling again, and then we're gonna go, I think, and try to find a snack shack and have some mozzarella sticks and a chicken burger or something like that.
Sure.
And we gotta find a funnel cake because we really want to have one of those, and then see what happens. I want to check out a few of the shops in the straw market here they have on the island. And
so we're gonna go and find some food and see what there is. I know they have, looks like a buffet, but we're gonna see if we can get, what did you say it was? You wanted to try the burgers and
try the chicken burger.
Oh, the chicken burger, that's what it was.
And try to find a funnel cake.
Oh yeah, and the funnel cake. Bahamian seagulls. So it looks like they have the tacos. They have all the fixings or toppings. And then your burgers and hot dogs. Corn, chicken and fries. They have Cuban sandwiches, shaved ribeye, cheesesteak, portobello mozzarella sandwich. That's the same thing. And then over here it's salads. Looks like they have country potato salad, mixed green salad, Caesar salad, and tomato cucumber. And your fruits. So we just got food at the snack shack and got the snack shack crispy chicken.
Comes with lettuce, tomato, pickles, mayo.
I got the Caesar salad. We got 2 orders of matzo sticks and each a funnel cake.
Funnel cake. Yum, yum. And lemonade.
I may have missed something though. I don't see any dressing on my salad.
Is there dressing underneath, like the...
That's why I'm just about to check with my fork here.
Or is there dressing like in the stand over there?
Yeah,
There's,
so I'm thinking, yeah, I'll be back.
Can you, if you see a tomato, can you get me a better tomato?
Over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's 2 buckets. Okay.
You okay if there is one?
Yeah, if there's no more. Savages. Birds just like stole someone's burger off. Oh my god. Just stole someone's burger off the picnic table. Sin. Oh, it's the little kids. Savages. Oh my goodness. So far everything's delicious. Mozzarella sticks are good, marinara is good. Burgers are good. Success?
Yeah. Here's your tomatoes.
He's a little boy. His burger they scavenged for.
I didn't see Caesar, I got ranch.
Did you try the, oh, you don't really like marinara, right?
No. I'll try it though.
I mean,
You never know, depending on how it's made.
the matzo sticks are good.
The matzo stick I had one, it was really good. So how's the funnel cake?
Really good.
Is it compared to Fairs?
It has a good crunch, and it's sweet enough you don't need any like sauce or anything on it. And it's like the perfect size.
Moist inside? Good. Can't wait to eat mine.
Yeah, it's super yummy. Although I might have to go back for a brownie. I'm a chocoholic.
I was going to say that's because you like chocolate.
This is the Oasis Lagoon pool. You see the helium balloon over there?
Goes all the way.
Yeah. Yeah, and it does, it goes over, there's a bridge in the background there that it continues over. It's quite large. I think it's the largest pool in the Caribbean. And we have thunderstorms behind us. It just cracked, so.
She might miss us actually, mostly. We'll see. Sorry if it's bouncy, we're on the tram. The Oasis Lagoon. There's the balloon.
Burgers, chicken sandwiches, mozzarella sticks, french fries, and funnel cakes. Has reservations for the Coco Beach Club. Breezy Bay Beach. It is also CocoCay Beach. Chairs on the brothers are free.
Yeah.
The volleyball court here, games for the kids. Snack shack and bar and also Day5. Close the rest. Oh, and you can also find your band stuff.
Going in the lane.
On the soundbar getaway, it'll be the village straight ahead. Straight ahead of this party coming up, you guys looking for souvenirs before you get back to the ship, there is an island market. Also straight at the buffet, you'll find a snorkel shop. We also have a mod station here, guys. And then we have the Chill Island Drive Station. You can find the Chill Grill. It is a lot of restaurant on the island, and there's also a barbecue and a buffet. Is there anybody from the Chill Island?
So here we are, finished on CocoCay for the day, headed back to the ship.
Yeah, it was a perfect day.
Yeah. Pretty awesome walking back, seeing these two side by side.
Is Adventure in the same category as Indie?
I don't know.
She's still beautiful.
Oh yeah.
She's not as big as Oasis, obviously, but she's still big.
What towel animal do we have today, babe?
It's a nocturnal one.
That's cool.
It was nice to see coming in the bed we made.
Oh, always.
So nice. Ah, the air conditioning. Today was excellent. I had a great day.
Same here.
You can only
Great.
say perfect day
A
at
CocoCay.
That's the edamame.
What's edamame?
Ooh, they're warm. Like what we would call snow peas, I think. Maybe. It's a legume.
Well, I know that.
I don't think we eat the. It's a vegetable.
Legume?
Yeah.
It's vegetable, is it not?
Yeah. I think it's in the snow pea family.
Here we are in a fine dining and M's using her fingers.
Well, actually, in Japan, they use their fingers. Just us Westerners don't like to
Is
get
it
our
peas?
fingers dirty. No, it's a bean. It's like a big snow pea.
That's what she said, is it a pea?
I have what always says cotton in my ears today.
Yeah, they're hard to chew, eh? The outer.
Something fun. Do we put the waste in here? I don't know. Yes?
Mhm.
Yes. This is our first time here, can you tell?
We're going to. There we go. What kind of sushi did you get?
This is spicy, crispy shrimp, like a tempura shrimp. And it has, I'm not too sure what it has in it, but I know it's the spicy tempura shrimp. Anyways, cheers, Bug.
It's good? Is it nice and spicy? Or just the right amount?
It's crispy. I don't taste any spice, but
Okay.
we like a lot of spice.
Yeah.
And I didn't put any wasabi on it.
That's true.
I gotta put more wasabi on it. You want this?
That's my wake-up call. Everybody awake now? Yes. Everybody hungry? Yes. All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome here to Izumi. My name is Resty. All right, guys. So before I start, I show you my Japanese exercise. Okay. Everybody in shirt. Yeah. All right. Here goes. Ooh. Watch out. First day of my job. Oh, don't get scared. Woo. In my face. Yeah. Cowboy! Yeah. Alright, one more. Tornado from Oklahoma. Hey. And electric from Japan. getting hot in here. Thank you. First up, I give you my heart. Yes, and my heart goes to Jonathan right there. Right, everybody likes garlic? Yes, garlic. I put a little garlic, yeah? Because garlic is good for your heart. Yeah, but garlic is bad for your breath. Okay. Yeah, garlic. Can you smell the aroma? That's my favorite cologne. Yeah. That's why I'm alone in my room. Yes, no ladies and no boys. Okay. Do you like vegetable, guys? Yeah, make you strong and sexy. Just like me, alright? Yeah. Say CocoCay. It's very cold outside, right? Super hot. How about you guys? You been here before?
First time.
First time? First cruise? Sorry.
It's been a long time.
Been a long time. I know you're gonna enjoy this now, yeah? Oasis is one of the smallest ships in the world. Rolling, rolling, rolling down the river. Okay, alright. One. Yeah. Higher. Oh. Higher. Woo. Higher. Whoop. Okay, the egg is gone. Alright, one more. Single leg. All the single legs. All the single legs. All the single legs. Woo. Hello, Hudson. Alright, time to grab the egg. Come on, egg. Oh, make something.
Oh, we're making like a flower.
Yeah, flower for all the ladies out here. No. Your turn. One more. Another one. Last one. Yeah. Salt and pepper in my hand. Yeah. Burrito. Okay. Alrighty. Yummy, yummy. I would like you to meet my friend, guys. My friend name is Anna. Everybody, can you say hi to Anna? Hi, Anna. I'm Anna Cobra. Hi. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Hi. Alright, say goodbye to Anna. Okay, bye, Anna. Okay, a little bit of rice, alright? Japanese rice. This is authentic Japanese rice from Costco. You like Costco rice? By the way, where are you from, guys? Ontario. Ontario, Canada.
Yep.
A little scallion. Good for your fried rice. Okay. Alright. Okay. I put a little bit of pepper. Pepper. Touch of salt. Yep. Japanese sugar. You like Japanese sugar? Yeah, this is from Starbucks. And soy sauce. Yep. Yeah, put just a little bit of soy sauce, okay? Okay, just a little more. And more. Yeah, nobody on diet, right? Yeah, nobody on diet. Not this week, yeah? The gym is closed this week, yeah? Close the gym. No diet. Okay. onions. In Japan, they call this one cebolla. Okay. Alright. Zucchini. Zucchini. Alright. What is that? Zucchini. Oh, yeah, zucchini. Courgette. Okay. Alright, you got the egg. And 1, 2, 3. Oh! Over there! One more, yeah? And 1, 2, 3. Oh! In your nose!
You have a big nose?
Yeah, you have a big nose. One more. You got this guy, yeah? You got this. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. In your nose. Okay, you try, alright? You ready? Okay. Alright, it's a big one. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You go here, your turn. Yeah?
You know where's medical center
Okay.
is?
1.
Okay, the same there.
One more.
Okay, so good evening. How's everybody? Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Orlando Soleta, and
Your
I'm
turn.
a big Japanese chef working
Okay.
now. So, whether you like it or not, I'm not your choice. I'm sorry for that, okay? Okay, and
Okay, for you, man.
what's your name? That's all it? Okay. So I know.
You want to like the rice up.
Later, maybe we practice first, okay? And now, first thing.
Is that knife sharp?
Baby up.
Yes, sir. This is from Amazon Prime.
Smile and face.
Buy
This
one,
one
get
is
one
me. Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
You make
A
me
little
always
bit.
strong,
You like
but
soy sauce,
never
right?
like it, okay? That's why I have to explain. I don't know. And a very expensive version here, all the way from
We put butter in that.
Okay, and now.
Perfect.
Italian is good for everybody. Yeah, okay, good. Green grass, of course. Green grass.
That's all right. Very hot.
The onions are making me cry.
Everybody's hungry now?
Okay, there you go. Maybe hot, yeah? Hot like the chef.
No.
New York medium rare.
Egg is good
This
for
one's
everybody,
for
yeah?
Jonathan.
Okay, good. Let's try to play some egg, huh?
Yeah. How's
This is
everything
the
so far,
very
guys?
messy
Looking
part
good?
here. Very good, thank you. So expect the unexpected, huh?
Still moving.
Remember, very messy part, huh?
Sharp knife.
Yes,
Keep an
sir.
eye, focus on this thing. I'm a real Teppanyaki chef. I just need to do that tonight,
This is the
okay?
medium and the medium
Okay,
rare.
first leg, run it! All single leg, all single leg. All
Butter.
single leg.
Butter.
Single leg.
Yeah.
All
Butter.
single leg.
Butter.
Come on again. First leg, yeah.
Medium rare, very fast.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Spinning extra, spinning extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Chicken. Chicken nugget. Jonathan, you ready?
One more.
It's broken already.
Roll it.
Roll
Yours. Yes.
Roll it far. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, and yeah. Oh, Japanese juggling. And let's make it two. Pretty woman. Walking down the street. Oh, no, this guy. Yeah. Because of him. One more.
Bedtime Talks with Em and Johnny. How was your day?
Recap for the day.
Wow, that's amazing.
It was a perfect day at CocoCay. Key.
Indeed.
We gotta get the silliness out.
No, we had a good day at the beach. We did some snorkeling. We had a chicken burger and the matzo sticks. We rode the tram. We did some shopping.
And more swimming.
Oh yeah, we did a few little dippity doos in the water.
More snorkeling. I got lots of fish and jellyfish.
Yeah, there's a lot of jellyfish out in the water today.
You'd be swimming and all of a sudden it would just be right in front of your face.
Yeah, they're past the rocks, so if you decide to go snorkeling, just be mindful of that.
But
yeah, there's no fish or jellyfish when you went out this morning.
Why are you talking to me?
Because I'm talking to you right now.
I was talking to you.
Oh. No, there was no jellyfish this morning when you went out this morning.
No, there wasn't.
Went out this morning to this
It
morning.
was around, I think 11 when you came out with me, and that's when the jellyfish we started to notice. There was only a couple of them at first, like 2 or 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then by after lunch hour, 1 o'clock-ish, I counted up to, in a larger area, up to like 32 of them.
Yeah, so just be mindful when you're snorkeling. And we had to pause for a thunderstorm with lightning and thunder, obviously. But yeah, we had a good day. We got back on board. I had a little siesta. You went
I went and did
to the Lido deck.
Yeah, I did the water slides, and I went in the pool because we came on early, so the Lido deck was fairly empty. Mostly, to be honest, adults, not many kids yet. And then it started to get a little busier, and I moved over to the solarium. Went to go in the pool in the solarium to find out it was closed. They had the net over it. There was guys inside with hammers and chisels.
And then what did we do after we had our afternoon alone time?
Then I came back.
We had supper.
No, well, yeah, we chilled on the balcony for a bit.
Oh yeah, we said goodbye to Independence of the Seas.
Yeah.
And then we went to Hibachi,
which was awesome, absolutely awesome.
You get a lot of food for the price that you pay because it's a la carte. It is included in your dining package, but I think there's like a $15 upcharge, give or take. But our chef was very entertaining. If you have kids, definitely bring them because they're like the star of the show. Yeah, it was a great experience. I had chicken and shrimp. And what did you have?
I had the steak and chicken.
Yeah, both were excellent meals. Flavor was good. Staff was amazing. Chef was amazing. No complaints.
No complaints whatsoever. Amazing flavors. The dips for the meat was awesome.
Yeah, they give you like a ginger sauce, a sweet and sour sauce, and teriyaki?
Yeah, it was teriyaki, yeah.
Yeah, it was awesome. Very good. Very flavorful. And then we went very flavorful. And then we went, we were heading to the comedian, but we had a bit of time, so we went to the adult arcade, and we won a big goose egg. But we had a lot of fun with it.
Yeah.
And then we went to the comedy show down in Blaze, which was like quite an intimate setting, but it was nice.
It was good.
The comedians were very good, very funny. They got us involved because, like I said, we were Canadian, and the one comic asked if there was anyone from another country, and I guess Canada isn't classified as another country in the States, but it is. So that was fun. We kind of got heckled a bit, which makes for a good time. And then we decided to end our evening up at the Mini-Putt, which was a lot of fun in the dark. It was kind of different, and we got to listen to the music from the Aqua show, which was playing underneath, which we went to see the other night. a good show, very good show. But yeah, we had a good day and a good evening.
Awesome day, yeah.
And a good evening.
Awesome day, yeah.
And now we're going to go to bed because I like my sleep. You're probably going to watch some shows on your phone, but
yeah,
I'm going to bed. So, see you tomorrow.
Good night.